couple of videos ago I showed you how I built this adjustable scribe. Well, today's time for an upgrade because I find that a lot of the times I just need a pen mark rather than a scribe mark. So I want to do an upgrade that will allow me to put a pen in it. So we'll take this one out, and the new shaft will have a bit of a piece of flat bar on it like that, and then attached to that will be some round bar with a hole in it that the pen can slide up into, and I'll just use a grub screw to hold it there. And I want it in such a position where I can just take the lid on and off without having to move the pen. So the first step is to put a channel in the rod so that the little thumb screw can screw down into it and hold it in place. Okay, that's done. Nice and easy. As you've previously seen, I do some very complicated drawings to get all the dimensions right. I want the pen hanging down about that much. So all I have to do is work out where I want to put that round bar. So about 20 mil and 30 mil. So I have a 20 mil piece of round bar. That's 30 mil from the top, from the bottom. So that'll probably do me. So the only thing left to work out is how thick's the pen, and therefore how big a hole do I have to put in that round bar? Well, it looks like it's about 12.5 mil. I'm doing this all in aluminium, and I've got a piece of offcut that looks like it's just about the right size. It only needs to be a loose fit because I'll hold it with a grub screw. I'll part this off to length, and that's all I have to do on the lathe. Now, I suppose I should observe that a smart person should have done this first rather than doing the milling bit first, because once I've parted this on the lathe, I have to set up the mill again. Oh well, it's only time. I want to mill a bit of a flat surface on one side because this is where the bit of flat bar will go, and it'll make it easier to weld. I've flipped it over so the flat's on the bottom, and now I'm just drilling and tapping for an M6 grub screw. Time to stick the bits together. Okay, that's all done. Not particularly pretty, so I'm going to hit it with the flap disc and then give it a bit of a polish. There we go, that's a little bit better. Not a work of art, but it'll be functional. Time to put the bits together and see how it goes. Very simple to swap the Scribe for the felt pen. The cap comes off and back on without having to readjust the pen. There we go. Nice straight line. I reckon that's a success. But let's do a few more just for fun. But wait, there's more. Not only will this fit the felt pen, but I can also put a pencil in there as well, just in case I want a pencil line. For example, on a piece of wood. Well, I don't have a piece of wood handy, so I'll just use this aluminium And of course that works too. Well, that was a nice easy upgrade. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.